We all know the Google Chrome dinosaur game. Yes, that game we all play when we have no internet. If you live under a rock and don't know what I'm talking about, I will explain this. Basically, this is an endless runner, which means that your only objective is to survive while running. There are some obstacles you have to dodge, like cactus, birds, etc. Today I am going to make this game using Unity. Let's start. The first thing I have to do is to import my assets. I will change the color of the background. You can see here is a blue and it should be completely white. I added the dinosaur and obviously the ground where the dinosaur is going to move. But everything is static, so I will make the dinosaur move and jump. By attaching this script, it should be working, so let's test it out. Yes, so I programmed some lines of code and it should be working completely perfect. Yes, you can see, perfect. Whenever the key space is pressed, we apply a force to the rigid body of the dinosaur of 8,000. Panga, panga, panga. But there is another problem. If I press multiple times the space, I can jump infinitely. Now this is fixed. You can see I can only jump once. But there are no animations. Now we have a run animation and also we have a jump animation.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
There is no scroll effect, so let's make it.
Okay, let's dance.
I created this script called scroll, and when I play the game, you can see that it works perfectly. Let me fix that. Vector 2 dot left, and now it's working perfectly.
What the fuck?
And now we have an infinite scroll. Until here we have a ground with a scroll and the player with the animations and the jump. But you can do nothing, there is nothing to dodge. That's why I will add the obstacles. These are the obstacles. These are all prefabs so that we can instantiate them into our game. Some of them are just one cactus and for example, these have 2, these have 3, these have 4. I even created the pterodactyl you can see down there. To constantly create our obstacles, I added this obstacle spawner game object with a script which work is to instantiate our obstacles. Our obstacles are stored in an array, so we can easily drag and drop our prefabs in here. The final result you can see is pretty good. Some cactus are spawned and even a pterodactyl. If it's spawned, please spawn. Here it is the bird. And another important thing is that all the obstacles, when they reach this collider, are instantly destroyed. This is obviously to avoid lag problems. But there is another problem. Whenever I collide with an obstacle, it's time to create the game over screen. So I added a canvas and in it I created a text that says game over And under it I added a button, a restart button, really easy and with an incredible icon. You've seen a time lapse of me creating this simple canvas with a text that says game over and a restart button. So now when we die, this game over canvas is shown, game over, and we have here the restart button with which we can obviously restart the game. The thing is that when I press this button, nothing happens, so I am going to program the thing.
It would be so awesome. It would be so cool.
To make this restart button to work, it was really easy. Actually, the only thing I had to do was to create a new C# script, create a new function that will be called when we press the button, and this function will restart the current scene. And now when we die and we press this restart button, the game is restart, we can play again, we lose, and we can play again.
I donate!
This is the final result of the game. I know there are some things missing, like the crunch, increase of speed and more, but if you would like me to make another video, add these things and even add more like RTX or 3D or literally anything you want, please like and subscribe the channel. I hope you liked the video and bye bye.